is how my lashes are looking. What's your life? Guys, we are going to the graveside now, so hey guys, welcome back to your girl Hemprezz Euphoria's YouTube channel, and I'm back with another vlog. Today is Thursday, February 27, and I'm on my way, like literally rushing from the kitchen to go and get my lashes done. I have a 5 o'clock appointment, so I'm gonna get my lashes done for I have a funeral to go to on Saturday. So yeah, my lashes are very scanty, so no, look how they look crazy. This is how my lashes are looking. I'm back home. Watch her another pack, guys. Watch her. Yeah. The girls said I forgot to take a break, so my eyelash them can't grow back. And I have an event April 13th, so I don't know. Oh, that's gonna work out. But I'm sure no one go another pack because I run out and never show. Callaloo. People them start short the food already. This is the saltfish and okra. Short. And this is the curry chicken. And this is the ground provision. So that is it. I want to get my nails done. I have a funeral, guys, to go to Saturday. So me I try to hurry up way away from Milan. But never drive go so far yet. Wales, Hanover, Lucea. Oh, Lucea there, Hanover though. I don't even know where me I go. I don't even know where I'm going, but Saturday morning, early, bright and early, me getting up to support a co-worker. She lost her daddy, so me and another co-worker going to the funeral Saturday morning. So it me say me go do my lash and thing want get my nails done. The hair now, I think I'm gonna install the wig I'm showing how long. The one with the white stripe. Might have forgot to do that tomorrow. Might forget to do that tomorrow, guys. So I'm gonna show you some dinner and call it a night. So I'll see you tomorrow, Friday. Hi! Me I love vlog and me can't even vlog in peace. Sorry. Hey guys, so me talk to you tomorrow. Hey guys, so this is the dinner. So it is Friday, February 28, guys. I don't know. My daughter turned on the CarPlay in the car, and whenever I turn down the volume of on the car itself, when I'm recording, I realize afterwards couple clips that I had, it is muted. So this is one of the clips, but I was just letting you guys know that I am heading to Hyundai to get my car service. Since I'm planning that trip to Lucea, Hanover for the funeral, my car is due service. So I wanted to make sure that everything is okay, you know, because it's a long trip ahead. So, you know, we don't want no problem on the road. I say, guys, can you imagine? After servicing, they normally offer a shuttle service, you know, and the people them did not pick me up, so I had to take a Uber. And it was so late, I did not get to do my nails. However, for the rest of the day, we had work, and then we celebrated our co-worker's birthday. Yes, we have our birthday club at the end of every month. I'm standing here for almost an hour waiting on the shuttle service up to now. So, yeah, did not get to do my nails. Good morning, guys. Good morning. It is Saturday. It is 4 o'clock in the morning, early morning here. My voice is so raspy. So, guys, as I told you guys, I'm heading to a funeral all the way Hanover. So, I try get ready, like, because I'm picking up 2 persons, one at the Angel Spanish Town and one at Linktree. And so I'm coming from Kingston, saying no, we're going to Holloway Hanover. So I'm going to install this wig from Sis Grace, and it's a synthetic wig, guys. I've got this for a while now. I did the unboxing long time. So I use this Rubik's 16 and just a regular foundation brush, and I just gonna apply it on the lace. I use the regular ghost bond glue. Look on the A-line, guys. I will leave the A-line, this, you know. And this not pregnant, you know. It not pregnant, now me not have a time. I swear. Me not have a time for plucky. So after me use the glue, I'm gonna use some sticky glue on it and band it down. No. Watch your guys. Let me see this. Alright guys, the wig is still there, bother me. The dry shampoo guys, get the synthetic hair, not so much of a shiny look way, you know? It work, but it just white. There's some white residue. You just brush it out. Alright, Miss Wellington, call me. Alright guys, so wanna see the difference? Wanna see how you so shine to compare to yourself? One good thing about synthetic wigs, you literally can just use your hands to maneuver the curls. Look how it just come back. I use the bedded spray while ago, so this is what I'm going to make it a bad. In a tree bad, guys. So we're going to use the Ebin melting spray. Make the band stay upon my head. And right now, this week you're coming like a 4x6 because say the side now hold down good. May I pray? Say slide back off of my head. Alright guys, so we're gonna bat it down one more time. Well, this I got one band while I'm on my way. I need to get one tall mirror, guys. I don't have any. But yeah. YSL fragrance today. Thanks to my bestie. My bestie got me this. Big up my bestie. I'll see you. I'll leave out now. Bye bye. When we're there for one way, man, carrying along with me. Mr. Guys, I'll know I'm gonna get to pick up the guy at Angels. The fog upon the highway make me miss the turn. I drive. When I reach it, I see the sign say Linktree turn off. I say what? So now I wait and my co-worker for come to pick her up, and then we're gonna meet him into Linktree. Him say I'm gonna take something from Angels to meet me at Linktree, so I'm gonna meet him at Linktree Square, but I don't know where that is because your girl is not from this neighborhood, so I don't know how to find myself around this part of the world. But yeah, some boiled eggs, I'm having that. Drink of Lucea already, and then let me see what it is. So I got some callaloo sandwich. Yeah, some grilled callaloo. Hey guys, I just reached. Guys, we are going to the graveside now, so what's the place name? Cash Hill, yeah. So guys, we're in Cash Hill. I don't know here, so if you know Cash Hill, comment down below and tell me if you know Cash Hill. But you them say I forgot you go down.
What I mean? I'm just a man to fucking mad. I the boss to mix it. Very bend to the end there. I'm just a man to fucking mad.
Auntie V, I'm borrowing you. Me a borrow you. Yeah? Me a borrow me auntie. No, I want to borrow.
Guys, we're about to leave now. It's 4:28. I'm up 12 hours. I'm tired, but it was a really nice funeral. I'm really enjoyed. What shall I laugh? Yeah, it was really a nice funeral. We end up at Buxton. Guys, I am so tired. That drive, it took us, let me tell you, it took us about 3 hours to Hanover, and then from Hanover, Lucea, where we were, is a 1 hour from Lucea, right? So that's 4 hours drive. So of course I was super tired, so I had no intention of cooking. So hubby decided that, let us go and have dinner. So we went to China Express on Constant Spring Road over by Marketplace for dinner. And yeah, so continue watching the vlog, guys. If it's your very first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Yeah, comment down below. Let me know if you are new to the channel and if you are a content creator as well, because we all need each other. We have to support each other in order to grow. So let me know down below.
Do the 6 now before we do the ones.
What you said, Malik? 6.5? For which one? The sweet and sour or the roast chicken? The sweet and sour? Or you give the roast chicken and say? The Malika house of margarita. It's okay. Your eyes look kind of childy like.